Are you experiencing low energy, stubborn weight loss, or just feeling off balance? Our thyroid protocol may be for you. It's designed to help support a normal, healthy thyroid function, give the thyroid the nutrients that it needs so that it can work better for you. First in our protocol, we have a product called Thyroid Complex, which is a blend of herbs to help support natural thyroid function. And then we also have a product called Thyrotrophin PMG, which improves the thyroid's relationship with your immune system. And then we have a product called Cataplex E, which will help with better conversion and utilization of thyroid hormone. And then we also have a product called Inuplex, which will feed important nutrients into your system and to your thyroid. If you're ready to have more energy, feel better mood, and improve weight loss, then get started on our thyroid protocol today.